Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Fatma Yusuf. Today I'll be doing a very quick video about the term called morphemes. But before starting our topic, we need to take a couple of things under consideration. First thing first, what is language? Language is basically a meaningful compilation of couple of words, giving them a form of sentence by proper respective arrangement, and then these sentences are used to do what they are used to transfer information from one person to another or from one place to another. In a language there is no specific rule for one word is restricted to one meaning, or one meaning is always confined to or one meaning always represents that specific word. We have different words with different meanings, or same word with different meanings, just like in idioms, and you know better than me, of course. But we have same words with different meanings according to the context. Exactly like that, we have different types of meanings. The types and forms of words. What are the types and form of what do we say, what exactly are the word forms? So the types and forms of words are the things that make us feel much more comfortable while distinguishing in between them. And after that, morpheme. Among all of this, morpheme is basically the smallest, the tiniest unbreakable unit of a word. Sometimes it's meaningful and sometimes it's meaningless. It doesn't have to always it doesn't have always to be meaningful. For example, we have different examples, just like swimming. Swimming. Swimming is a word. It's a proper word. It represents a practice. It represents a sport. But if we break this word into two portions according to morphology, then we have two morphemes. One is swim, and the other one is ing. So swim is a meaningful word. We know what does it mean. Swim is it's like when your body plays with water. And ing doesn't have any specific meaning for itself. It is dependent, or it is dependent onto that particular root word, which is swim. We're going to talk about these things later on, but now this is one portion of the word, and this s is another portion of word. If we break this word talk and s, this is one morpheme and this is one morpheme. And yes, I guess it's right. Okay, let's take another example. Break, able. Now breakable, break, break, this is one morpheme. Able is another morpheme. And just like this, breakable, we have unbreakable. How many morphemes are there? 1, 2, 3 morphemes. The root word in between the three of these morphemes is break. So this is the root word. And what does the root word means? It means this is the main word. This one is the meaningful word. Meaningful. Main word. And which is why it is called the root word. Break is the root word. Able, prefix, suffix, they are all included in morphemes, but prefixes and suffixes are not the root words. Usually the word that is present in the middle of prefix and suffix is the root word. So there is another example of open. Yeah, let's take a look of the examples that are given in this book. S, er, ed, ing, all these elements are described as morphemes. Now, can you break this unbreakable heart. Unbreakable heart. Unbreakable is one word. This is another word. This word itself, it cannot be broken down. So it doesn't have because it doesn't have any prefix or suffix, so this cannot be broken down. But unbreakable, this word has 3 morphemes: unbreakable. Now this unbreakable, within this word, as I told you that break is the main word, break is the root word, the meaningful word. Un and able, they are both the ones which cannot be broken down furthermore. So they are at their minimalist already. They are minimal already, so they cannot be broken down. Now the police reopened the investigation. Reopened. Another example. The police reopened. The police reopened the investigation. Now what is that supposed to mean? There was a case that was closed probably, and the police, it reopened the case. Investigation, reopened the investigation. It means they restarted to investigate. So what is the word with investigation? Reopened. Reopened is one example. Reopened. This is one example. Reopened. Open. आगे dash ed. Morpheme number 1, morpheme number 2, and morpheme number 3. Reopened. Open ed. This is, which one is the root word? The one that is present. This is a prefix. Okay, prefix. And this one is suffix. And this is the root word. Reopened. Next is in